So here we will have a tour quickly of the Live Oak Wilderness Trail that meanders here from the top of the hill at LadyBird Johnson Park. Here's some of the native flowers, birdies and such. Spring flowers, blue bonnets, that's a state flower. Pretty scenery. And then it goes off the trail here. It goes over this ridge. Is this? Well, this is the end of the trail. It must go this way. It goes around this way, I guess. Oh, and then it meanders up along that, past that fence up there. Let's see where this goes real quick. I'll have to go ahead and, this video's too long to send without probably loading it onto YouTube or whatever, so I'll do that and send you a link. Maybe you'll get a kick out of it. Here's some, you're looking down. Oh, there's a river down there. I can hear it. It's making noise as it's rushing by. It's not really rushing. So here's, and then you can see it off in the distance. It's kind of hilly. It's a nice trail, huh? And there's people with campers over here in this area too. Okay, so I guess it just keeps going. It's a little stops along the way. Oh wait, it's gonna go down into the woods here. This is gonna be good. That's a butterfly exhibit. I won't waste time with that. Butterfly habitat. Oh, this is just a little shortcut. Some steps you can take down. It's no big deal. It's still going. Still going around this bend. Let's just see where this... I thought it would, take off at some point to where, well, then here's like an old wooden fence made out of like little old trees. It's kind of neat. And this is a little, what is this? Observation. Recent sightings. Attract birds by providing food, water, and shelter. This is a bird observatory area or something. Let's see where this goes around the corner. Trail. It's Saturday, about 1 o'clock. Yeah, see, here it goes. Here's where it takes off and goes down into towards the river, I guess. I guess you probably hike down to the river and back. But that's what I wanted you to see. I hope it didn't take too long. You weren't bored. Okay, that's what that is. Fredericksburg, LadyBird Park, Nature Trail. There you go.